Managing contacts in VCF format can be tricky. Whole Clear VCF to CSV Converter is your ideal solution for easy conversion. The process is seamless. Import your VCF files with a click. Whether it's a single file or multiple files, this software handles both. Preview your contacts before conversion to ensure everything looks correct. This step ensures no details are missed. Once you're ready, click to start the conversion. The tool processes files quickly, preserving all contact details. Converted contacts are ready to open in any spreadsheet application. Managing your data in CSV format is simple. Whole Clear VCF to CSV Converter offers bulk conversion, accurate data transfer, no size limits, and a user-friendly interface. Streamline your contact management with Whole Clear VCF to CSV Converter today. Visit our website to download now and simplify your contact data conversion.